Mix the paste with vinegar, and the result will surprise you. Start by preparing a large glass container. Pour in 200 milliliters of vinegar. Vinegar is a natural cleaning and degreasing agent. It dissolves limescale, hard water deposits, and stubborn dirt. It also has antibacterial properties, eliminating bacteria and unpleasant odors. Into the container with vinegar, squeeze about 2 inches of toothpaste. Toothpaste has polishing, shining, and stain-removing properties. Then, add 2 tablespoons of table salt. Salt acts as a natural, mildly abrasive scrub that removes stubborn dirt and burnt-on stains. It also has disinfecting and degreasing properties. Mix everything thoroughly. Next, take a spray bottle and use a funnel to pour the mixture into it. This DIY cleaner takes cleaning to a whole new level. Spray the mixture onto sinks or areas with deposits. Use a sponge to scrub the surfaces vigorously. Hard water stains come off effortlessly, removing tough marks and unpleasant odors. The sink becomes shiny and spotless. You can also use this cleaner for washing dirty dishes. It's a simple and eco-friendly way to maintain cleanliness. A technician once recommended that I run my dishwasher this way once a month. This method effectively cleans the dishwasher of all dirt and odors, refreshing it without any scrubbing. If your dishwasher emits an unpleasant smell after every cycle, it's time to try this method. When you open the dishwasher, it appears clean and even shiny. So, where does the bad smell come from? Food residues accumulate in the filter. Just unscrew it, and you'll see how much dirt is there. Despite using the best dishwasher tablets, they can't remove all the grime. Over time, this results in a bad odor emanating from the dishwasher. Fortunately, the technician who installed my dishwasher recommended a simple solution. Prepare a bowl and place it in the dishwasher. Pour vinegar into the bowl. It's best to use the largest bowl that will fit to add more vinegar. Sprinkle baking soda over the bottom of the dishwasher. Do not put any other items in the dishwasher. Run it on a hot cycle, and that's it. As the cycle starts, water will flush the vinegar from the bowl, and it will clean the entire dishwasher. The baking soda will also contribute to cleaning the interior. Use this method once a month, and your dishwasher will always be clean and fresh. Mix cola with vinegar. It will gain extraordinary properties. These products combined are extraordinary. The mixture of these 2 ingredients is very useful. The most important thing is the correct proportions. Then the mixture will be perfect. Take a container and pour 200 milliliters of Coca-Cola into it. Cola often doesn't taste good when it sits longer or when it's warm, so if you have leftover cola to pour out, use it for this trick. Add 100 milliliters of vinegar to it. If you add another ingredient, the mixture will be even better. Just add 2 teaspoons of salt. Salt will enhance the action of vinegar and cola. The liquid will fizz slightly. Finally, add some dishwashing liquid. Stir everything to mix the ingredients. Make a hole in the cap of an empty bottle. You can use a drill for this, or you can burn a hole with a hot stick. This is a super strong liquid. It is perfect for cleaning and scrubbing tough stains. It cleans metal pots perfectly. It removes food residues from dishes. It kills bacteria and germs. Phosphoric acid and acetic acid have extraordinary cleaning properties. All this makes the liquid perfect for cleaning even the toilet. Just pour the liquid into the toilet and scrub it. This liquid is multifunctional. Keep it handy and use it for cleaning as often as possible. You won't want to use other products anymore. I add dish soap to my detergent, and it's so surprisingly effective that I want to share it with you. Mix 1 part dish soap with an equal amount of regular vinegar. Then, add 1 tablespoon of salt. Vinegar has antibacterial properties, and the salt helps remove residues. Next, add a small amount of water and mix everything until well combined. Pour the mixture into a plastic bottle using a funnel, and close it with a dish soap cap for easy dispensing. Test it on a few dishes. This combination is perfect for cleaning dishes. Glass will be crystal clear and porcelain dishes will shine. Washing and cleaning dishes has become much easier with this new mixture, cutting cleaning time in half. No one in my family uses regular dish soap anymore. This enhanced soap with salt and vinegar is 100 times better. Drop them in the drain, and the result will surprise you. The problem of clogged pipes will disappear in seconds. I'll show you how to unclog the drain with something you probably already have at home. First, clean the sink of any visible hair and debris. Sometimes these are caught on the strainer and just need to be removed. Then, take a liter of vinegar and boil it, preferably in a kettle. Let it sit for a moment. Drop 2 aspirin tablets into the drain. Pour the hot vinegar over them. Be careful not to pour hot vinegar on the porcelain sink, as it might crack. Pour the vinegar directly into the drain. You'll hear a characteristic bubbling sound, and foam may start to come out of the drain. When you hear the bubbling, pour a liter of boiling water into the drain. The aspirin, along with the vinegar and boiling water, will unclog the pipe, also neutralizing any unpleasant odors that occasionally come from the pipes. As you can see, a very effective mixture for unclogging drains is the combination of aspirin, hot water, and vinegar. Place star anise in vinegar, and you won't want to use another recipe. It will be vinegar without the vinegar smell, which for one reason will become your favorite vinegar. Once you try it, you'll recommend it to your friends. Why? There's an extraordinary reason for it. Prepare a container with a lid, pour vinegar into it. I use a measure of about 1 cup capacity. I'll pour 2 such measures into the container. Take a stick of cinnamon and crush it into smaller pieces. Add a few pieces of star anise and a small portion of cloves. Close the container and set it aside for 2 days. After 2 days, you can open it. Pour it into a vessel from which it will be easier to pour the vinegar into a bottle. It's best to pour it into a bottle with a sprayer. Use a funnel with a sieve and gauze for this purpose. Strain the vinegar. You'll find that it no longer smells like vinegar. Add star anise and whole cloves. You'll easily recognize this liquid when you reach for it. Close the bottle. Spray a cloth and wipe the containers with loose products. Clean them from the dust and grease that accumulates in the kitchen. You can also wipe the shelves and cabinets. This universal degreaser will also provide protection against moths. The smell of spices used in vinegar is a natural repellent. Moths don't like the smell of vinegar, cloves, cinnamon, and star anise. Ants don't like this smell either. Use this recipe and you'll not only have a clean kitchen, but also one free from food moths, ants, and other insects. Don't overpay for a pedicure at a beauty salon. This simple trick from our grandmothers softens foot skin without a foot file. Prepare 2 drawstring bags, ensuring they are large enough for your feet. Pour half a cup of vinegar into each bag. Acetic acid helps regulate the pH of the foot skin and has antifungal properties. It also helps eliminate pathogens that can cause yellowing of the nails or cracked, discolored skin. Insert your feet into the bags and add half a cup of warm water to each bag. Keep your feet in them for at least 20 minutes. Vinegar is also excellent prevention for those dealing with corns and warts. Additionally, it helps eliminate unpleasant odors. Regular baths curb foot perspiration. Acetic acid acts like a treatment at a cosmetologist's. It softens calloused skin on the heels and bunions. Without using a drill or file, you'll get rid of tough skin. Your feet will be soft and firm. Repeat the process daily until the issues disappear. It's the best natural solution for common problems.